What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy Corey 6 coming to you with another video. And what is up, you guys, man? I hope you've been doing good. I know I haven't posted in a long time, it feels like, but man, your boy is back and we got the content, man. Today we're gonna be working on the M4 and we got a super dope mod that's something I've been dreaming of. I can't even believe that I'm in the position to even do this mod on the M4, and I'm so excited. We're about to start really getting into the M4 and just making this car look like the Speedy spec, man. So when you see this M4, my Mint Green M4, you'll know like, oh yeah, that's Speedy Corey, bro. That is the main goal of this build, and I'm so excited. So we are actually on our way to go pick up the new part for the M4. I'll show you guys when we get there. Super excited, man. Like, this thing is gonna make the car look so much more aggressive, and honestly, it's just a great way to return back to YouTube with some fire content. So excited, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Bang. All right, guys, you guys ready for the new mod? You ready for this? Woo, woo, woo. Damn, is that an ADRO bumper, dog? Is that the ADRO bumper? Is that fresh kicks? Oh, ADRO bumper, crazy. So I actually ended up picking up the old bumper for Fresh Kicks old M4. So the previous owner, or the owner of the M4 now, he's actually upgrading to the V2 ADRO bumper. But I absolutely love the old V1 bumper, and this thing looks insane. And the fact that we literally got Corey's old M4 bumper is actually crazy, bro. Keeping it in the family, man. Crazy, crazy. But it looks so sick, man. Sheesh. Nice. And there's some stuff I gotta fix on it. I'm not really worried about it. Damn, fucking flying. We gotta fix the tab on there, and then I do gotta fix some of the carbon on the front lip. But other than that, literally everything on there is pretty good to go, man. So shout out to the new owner of Corey's old M4. But here is the new bumper, the new mod for the M4. This is gonna look insane in mint green. I feel like I've seen only one other M4 in mint green with an ADRO bumper, and it looks pretty sick, bro. So, but for sure gonna be the first in Cali with a mint green M4 with the ADRO bumper. So should be breaking next, man. What a way to come back to YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and get it over to the shop, and I'm gonna start working on the car so we can get this thing painted. Let's get it.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, just got to the shop. Last time seeing it with this front end. I mean, the OEM is good, but yo, boy is officially ADRO'd out. Man, I was able to sneak this thing in here. Look how I actually got in here. Crazy. But I'm going to take off the ADRO bumper right now, and we're going to get started on working on it today. But man, I'm excited.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, quick little update. So 100%. Boom, look at this. We were able to fix the tab. Let's go. So already 100%, my investment is 100% good to go. Like, that is crazy. That was the only thing really wrong with this bumper, was the tab was broken, and your boy, you know, Speedy, man, I know how to fix stuff. And yeah, I was able to fix the tab. So I just basically got a $4,000 setup, $4,000 ADRO bumper for legit. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much I paid for the bumper, but just know, absolutely still, all because I know how to plastic weld. So cool. So 100% fixed the problem now. Now it's time to actually start getting this thing prepped and ready to paint. So yeah, man, it's just cool to know that this thing's gonna stay in the family. Was on Kix's car, and now it's gonna be on my M4. So all right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start prepping the bumper, getting ready for like primer and stuff like that. And then yeah, I'll show you guys that process. But whew, ADRO bumper for a complete steal, man. Sick. All right, guys, about an hour later, got all the PPF off of the bumper. So now it's back to the original color. The PPF definitely cooked the bumper, but obviously we're gonna be repainting it anyway, so we're gonna be sanding this all the way down, taking the clear coat off anyways. But yeah, it's crazy to see it without the stealth PPF. I feel like the stealth PPF made this thing look so clean, but cool. All right, so now the next step is basically to take apart the whole bumper. I'm gonna take off the front lip, start taking off the inserts and the grills and stuff like that, so that we have bare ADRO bumper, and then we'll start sanding it with some 300 grit paper to get all the clear coat off and basically get to the base coat. So cool.
The next day.
All right, guys, so we are back. It is now the next day. About to start finishing up on the bumper. It's all like prepped off and masked. And I sprayed the first coat of primer, but this is only the first coat, and then we're gonna go back and respray it and stuff like that. So, but I'm gonna move up all the cars, and then we're gonna start working on the ADRO bumper. But bro, that's gonna look so clean. Cannot wait for it, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Shee. Fire. All right, guys, you guys want to see the paint match? Just got the paint back. Let's see how close it is to the gas cap. And there it is. Honestly, no, that's paint match pretty good. I think it's paint match pretty good, honestly. So especially when I have some clear coat on there. But that's the closest it's gonna get. Sprayed it on a tester, and maybe this might be a little bit lighter, but it is really close. Very, very close. So sick. All right, guys, about to get ready to paint the bumper. Already got the edges, just to make sure I got it. Make sure I didn't miss any spots. But we're about to go ahead and start painting the whole thing. So, woo, excited. Hopefully everything comes out good and smooth. So, and it's gonna look so mean. I can't wait to see it. Sick. All right, guys, so first layer of base coat is on there, and I gotta say, low key, bruh, low key paint match, bro. What? Bro, that actually looks really good. I'm really surprised, you know, it looks a lot closer than I thought, so cool. And this obviously has no clear coat, and this does have clear coat, but low key, bro, we might be there. We might be good. We might be good. So I'll let you guys know after like the third coat. I'm gonna do 3 coats of this to make sure it's nice and thick. And yeah, but the paint itself is laying very nicely. I'm really happy how it's coming out. So, sick. All right, guys, so we just laid down the first set of clear coat. The first coat of clear coat acts like the glue. You don't want to go too heavy. You just want to let it get it on there, let it cure, and this is gonna act like the glue. So the second coat will go a lot heavier on it and make it really glossy. But the first one, you just want to make sure like you get it on there, let it dry. It should not look super glassy. It should look kind of splotchy, because like I said, it is the glue. And then after that, the second coat, we'll go ahead and spatter it on there and get a little bit more glass. So, cool. I'll update you guys when I'm done. All right, guys, starting the second set, we're going to go much heavier. So you can see it looks more splatchy. So I'll show you guys how it looks after this. So hopefully we can get glass. Got one more coat, and we should be good. Should be good, and then so far there's no drips. Last coat, I'm just spraying, no drips. I'm gonna go a little heavier to make it look a little bit like glass, and we should be good. So, cool.
The next day.
All right, guys, it is now the next day. Got all the cars moved out. Let me come show you guys the bumper. Today's the day, man. We put the freaking ADRO bumper finally on. Oh, it's gonna look insane. But, bro, the bumper came out good. No drips. Look at that, man. Okay. I haven't even sanded it either. I might not even sand it, honestly. Depending on how good it looks on the car, I might not even sand it. I think it looks really, really good. It looks nice and clear. It looks like glass, low key, bro. So I'm chilling. And then here it is. Not a direct match. I feel like the bumper might be a little bit lighter, but bro, that is so close. That's the closest you're gonna get, honestly. Like, I think we're good. But yeah, I think honestly, nah. Looking at the gas cap from this angle, it looks fine. So anyways, we're gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna unwrap all of it, and I think it's gonna look insane on M4. So I'm so excited. Let's get it. All right, guys, about to start taking off the front bumper. Let's get it. Oh, I'm so excited, bro. So last time seeing this front end, I mean, it don't look bad, you know what I'm saying? It's cool. But man, the ADRO is about to look insane, especially with the snake eye headlights. Woo! Time to be different, Doc. 101. I gotta wash my calipers, man. If you haven't watched this, I actually paint match these myself as well. Still holding up. Still holding up. They're just a little dirty though. But they still holding up. Sick. All right, guys, so bumper is off. Now it's time to kind of change everything over and put it on the ADRO bumper. So I actually want to compare the two to see the color real quick. See how close they match. All right, guys, so moment of truth. Now that I got the bumpers compared to each other, honestly, the OEM looks a little bit, I would say, darker. But I'm gonna put the ADRO bumper on the car right now to see if it matches. I think we should be good, bro. But it's pretty close, honestly, bro. For a paint match, bro, that's pretty spot on. So, all right, let's do it. I'm gonna put this on the car. We're gonna see how it looks, man. Let's get it. Does it match? All right, guys, moment of truth. Does it match? See. What? Oh, no, that for sure matches. What? What? Let's go. Bruh. Already looking fire. Crazy. What? Oh my God. Bro, that paint match is damn near spot on, bro. What? Nah, that's fire, brother. Damn, I'm so happy right now. And honestly, it already looks crazy with the ADRO bumper. Look at that side profile, bro. I don't even have the grills or anything in there. I'm just so happy the paint match came out very good. Like this is, I'm happy. Like this is doable. I don't care what anyone says. I feel like this is like the perfect paint match without having to blend into the fender. So, and I painted it myself, bro. It's such a flex. Bro, ADRO with snake eyes, insane. I forgot I did the snake eyes, bro. The thing's about to look insane once I put everything together. So much more aggressive, bro. I love snake eyes way more than angel eyes, like 100%. That is great. Fire, bro, fire. But all right, let's go ahead and start putting everything back together, putting the grills on, everything. Because I want to see how this thing looks out in the sunlight. But already, this thing looks insane, bro. 101 G82 M4. Love it in mint green. Woo-hoo. Fire. Straight gas.
12 o'clock midnight.
So first little look with the new ADRO bumper. Y'all ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Oh my, bruh. That looks so mean. Oh my goodness, bro. And the paint match came out so good. I'm so proud of myself. I feel like it came out very, very well. It's obviously not perfect, but it is so close. It's so close. And honestly, you can't tell the difference, bro. Oh, I'm so happy, man. Now we just gotta get that carbon hood on the car. And this thing is gonna look insane, bro. So sick. Whew. Bro, with the snake eye headlights, this thing looks crazy. So, but all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the car off the lift, and we are gonna take this to a car wash so I can show you guys, or not a gas station, so I can show you guys the car, how it looks underneath the gas station lighting. But bruh, crazy. So much better than that front end. Ah, so aggressive, I love it. All right, guys, it is finally now the next day, and I finally have time to wash the M4 and show you guys the new bumper. Bruh, the ADRO bumper looks absolutely sick. Oh God, I can't get over it. It looks so much more aggressive, bro. And I've been getting so many more compliments on the M4 now. It's crazy, like nonstop. But let me wash the car for the first time. It's probably like 4 days later, so the bumper has dried. I've let it sit in the sunlight and all that stuff, so I want to make sure it does not come out. It's the first time washing it, but bro, I love how it came out. It looks insane. I absolutely love it. The paint match came out perfectly too. We got to get this front end PPF ASAP. I'm gonna let it sit for probably like another month before we get a PPF, but after that, we should be good to go. But man, this thing is looking insane, bro. I love it. This thing is just looking amazing. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. Whew. Gosh. The oversized brushed stainless steel tips look so crazy. This thing is just looking great. I'm in love, you guys. I'm happy. Hope you guys like it. I love it. Can't wait to start taking this thing out to car meets and car shows. But all right, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video, man. Thank you. Man, ADRO bumper came out sick. It looks amazing, and the fact that I did it myself, it just makes it even ultimate more flex. You know what I'm saying? It just makes me so happy. Gosh, man, to say I did it, it makes me more attached to this car even more. So I've never selling this thing. Don't even ask. Don't even ask. Even the rear end looks insane, bro. Crazy. I can't wait to take this thing to car shows now. Speedy certified. Woo! Gosh, bro. So happy. So freaking happy. But alright guys, that is gonna do it for today's video, man. If you guys liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, man. It definitely helps out the channel. Definitely got so much more content coming soon, but bro, look at this. The M4 looks insane. I don't know which car looks better now, this or the IPL. But the M4 is definitely getting the IPL run for his money now, man. Cannot complain. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. Definitely got more content coming soon. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.